gather information from FTP search engines, file transfer protocol. Search engines are used to search for files located on the FTP servers. These files may hold valuable information about the target organization. Many institutions, companies, and universities use FTP server to keep large file archives and other software that, that are shared among their employees. FTP search engines provide information about critical files and directories, including valuable information such as the business strategies, text, documents, employees' personal record, financial record, license software, and other confidential informations. Here we will use the NAPALM FTP indexer, FTP search engine to extract critical FTP information about target organization. In our web browser, search FTP.net. Here is the NAPLAM FTP indexer. NAPLAM indexer website appears as shown in our browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft and click search. And click button search. So you will get a search results containing critical files and documents related to the target organization as shown in our web browser. That concludes the demonstration of gathering information from FTP search engine. You can also use FTP search engines such as freeware web FTP search to gather a crucial FTP information about the target organization. Close. Here is the all the FTP files are here. You can next and find it more files about the target organizations. Okay, so that's all for this video. Like, share, and subscribe.